Hey guys! Welcome back to the iAnyGo channel. If you want to play Pokemon Go safely without walking, you need a tool that includes a cooldown feature, uses stable and reliable technology, and definitely avoids cracked versions. If you want the best option, go with iAnyGo. iAnyGo is fully compatible with all iOS systems, and it's quite powerful. I just use it to search and catch the tiny Drillbur on my iOS 26 phone, which is super cool. It got all the feature you can name it: teleport, joystick, route planning, cooldown feature, but the most amazing thing is that it have auto catch feature. And here I will show you how to move in Pokemon Go safely. So you can get it AnyGo from the link below on your computer or on your phone, which work pretty much the same. Here I will show you on computer, which is my choice to make the spoofing more stable. So you can just link your device with your computer and teleport it to the location you like. It's recommended to teleport before you open the game. Now you can do the joystick mode or plan your movement here to spin all the PokéStops along the way, and plan the perfect catching route with fewer steps and more rewards. This works for both iPhone and Android. You can also adjust the speed of your movement here so you can walk faster or slower around the map. As long as you're moving on reasonable speed, you are all safe. Don't forget to try the new auto catch feature, which works just like Pokemon Go Plus, but no need to pay for the hardware. This could really speed up the development of your account. Go try this out and remember to get a 20% off discount code in the link below. Happy spoofing, and I will see you in the next video.